Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and it's August. So what that means is our Sewers Club box stash builder for the month of August has arrived. I have not used any of the fabric out of the stash builder box that we have received up to this point. But the whole point of it is we were trying to build our stash, and I think this is an economic way for us to be able to build some of the stash. Some of the fabrics that they have sent us have been amazing. I have been so super happy with those. Most of what we've gotten, I will say, are really probably more spring-summer patterns, colors, but that's probably because that's the months we're in, right? I see us starting to use this more probably around October, November, as we're finishing out our Halloween, Christmas stuff and starting to move into spring. But again, we bought this to be a stash builder. I can tell you, I get really embarrassed standing in line and I've got 8 bolts that I want cut, even though I'm buying 1.5 yards or 2 yards off each bolt. You know, it's money, and like one of the ladies told me one day, she goes, it doesn't matter who I'm cutting for, I'm going to stand here and cut all day. I get that, but people behind you get frustrated or just act crazy, I think. So I think that's why I've tended to find some stuff online, because I don't always feel just comfortable in the store. If I want to buy 10 bolts of fabric versus 2 bolts, I should, you know, it shouldn't matter. But anyways, and maybe that's just my hang up. You can make a comment below and let me know. Maybe it's just something I worry about that I shouldn't, or maybe you're the person standing behind me going, yeah, I wish you would have went somewhere else and I didn't have to wait 20 minutes. But it is what it is. I like Sewers Club. Sewer Club, I think, is very economical for what we are receiving. We've been very happy. So without further ado, let's see what they sent us for the month of August. And so they always give us a card that describes what fabric is inside there, and we always get the half-yard cuts. So that's the biggest that they offer at the moment, and that is what we get. So as always, they have got some super cute fabric in here. This is called Woodland Wonder. It's a tan all over woodland. And I'm telling you, look how adorable that is with the bears, deer, the fox. I love that rusty brown fox on there with a little bit of the aqua. So again, I mean, these are just cute fabrics. And I'll be honest, I haven't seen this at any of our local stores. So they're also sending us stuff that's really different. Okay, and so now they win every award because they sent me Halloween fabric. And look at that. Purified bat wings, spider spawn, tongue of toad, raven. How adorable is this fabric? So again, for someone that's a Halloween nut to begin with, they just hit it out of the ballpark. So the rest of the fabrics don't even matter to me, because this just gave me what I needed. This is a nice complementary fabric, right? Just some orange and kind of beige border or sash fabrics like that. I am a purple freak. I love purple as my color. Also like a lot of flowers. So these look like, I think, mums, chrysanthemums is kind of what they look like to me. You take a look and see what you think. Oh, you know what? How about I tell you what the card says? The card calls these hydrangea harmony. So, and I'm sorry, the second one, which was the Halloween fabric, was called Under a Spell. And More Pie is the name of this fabric. It's peach berries. So sorry about that. I should have been keeping up with the card. I really kind of got beside myself because I was really happy with the Halloween fabric. But anyways, these are hydrangeas, so that helps. Colorworks Heather. So just a nice plain purple. I don't get a lot of plain fabrics, it doesn't seem like, in their boxes. Maybe I have and just haven't noticed, but you know, again, I love purple, so how cool, what a compliment for these two, right? So they really do go together. The next one is Love is in the Air, Pink XOXO, and how adorable for a project for Valentine's. So they're helping me really get ahead. Again, like I said, I have really been happy with every box I've gotten from them. Stonehenge Gradations Hibiscus Slate is the name of this one. And I like this fabric. It's just with the dark, almost black running through it with all the way up to the light shade of pink. Just all the variations that it's got in there really works out perfect. So again, another successful box for me. Very happy with what we're getting out of Sewers Club. I will put the link to their website down below for you if you're interested in subscribing. The one nice thing about Sewers Club is they do ask you what are your colors, what are your seasons, different things. So each box, you may have gotten an August box. Your August box may not match mine because they do try to be a little bit more custom in the materials that they're sending out, which to me even makes it better. But, you know, I would think puts a burden on them. But, you know, who am I to say? I am, again, just happy with them. So I appreciate you jumping in today. Sewers Club, our stash box for August. And until next time, happy crafting.